Hi everyone, I'm Courtney. This video is to help you learn English. Today I'm telling a story. A priest told me this story. It's my favorite story that a priest ever told me. Once upon a time, there was a man. He was an old man. He was cranky. He wasn't happy. The old man didn't like anyone. He lived alone. The old man collected birds. He loved to travel and find new birds. He would find new birds and he would bring them home to be part of his collection. The old man had searched and searched for many different types of birds throughout the years. The old man had a bird that he really wanted to find. It was a rare bluebird. The bird was extremely hard to find. The man searched for years and years and years. 5 years passed, 10 years passed, 15 years passed. The man went on trip after trip in search of the bluebird. Every time the man came home, he got more and more angry. Why can't I find this bluebird? He thought to himself. He was so upset. All he wanted was to find the bluebird. If I find the bluebird, he thought, I'll be happy. If I can find the bluebird, I'll be happy. The old man was getting older and older. One day, somebody knocked on the old man's door. Knock, knock, knock. The old man was confused. Why was somebody knocking on his door? He didn't have any friends. He didn't have any family. Who was knocking on his door? He opened the door. Outside the door was a woman. The woman said, "Hi, sir. My son is very sick. He is in the hospital. Your neighbor told me that you collect birds. My son loves birds. Would you bring one of your birds to the hospital so that my son could see your bird?" The old man grumbled. "No, go away," he said, and he slammed the door shut. The next day, the old man went on another trip in search of his bluebird. And guess what? He finally found it. When he returned home with a bluebird, he was so excited. "Finally, after all these years," said the old man, "I found the bluebird. Finally, I can be happy." But the old man didn't feel happy. He felt happy for a little bit, but he felt kind of bad. He remembered the woman at the door. He remembered slamming the door in her face. Sighed the old man. He went and talked to his neighbor. His neighbor told him where the woman and her son lived. The old man brought the bluebird to show the boy. The little boy loved the bluebird. He was obsessed. "Thank you so much for showing me your rare bluebird," said the boy. "You're welcome," said the old man. It was weird. Chatting with the boy about his passion was the happiest that he'd felt in many, many years. He showed the boy the bird's beak. He showed the boy the bird's wings. He told the boy about what the bird ate. He told the boy about how far the bird could fly. The boy and the old man laughed and learned together. The old man started to cry. He was worried because the boy was sick. He didn't know what would happen to the boy. The boy said goodbye to the old man. I hope that someday I can go to find another rare blue bird like yours, said the boy. The old man stopped and paused in the doorway. Then he turned around and decided to give his rare blue bird to the boy. The boy was so excited. Thank you so much, sir. I'm so excited. Thank you for your rare blue bird. You're very welcome, said the old man. And he felt truly happy. He felt the happiest that he had felt in years. The old man started to walk home. He sighed. He had spent 20 years trying to find the rare blue bird, and now he had given it away. But he was reflecting, and he felt happier. He felt happier to share his passion, and he felt happier to give a gift to someone that really needed it. He felt happier by sharing an experience with someone than by being selfish. He felt happier by sharing an experience with someone than by keeping a material possession. Thought the old man. Maybe this is the secret to happiness. Maybe the secret to happiness isn't about the things that we have, but about who we share them with. As the old man walked inside his door, all of his birds had turned into the rare blue bird.